Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, so my name is SHAHNOOR Malik. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, so thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is about colored contact lenses by JUST4KIRA. Look at the packaging. They came in a very pretty black box with a golden text on it. So let's open this box. As we open this box, there is a thank you card in it. Thank you to JUST4KIRA. That box includes 4 pairs of lens along with cases. The most important thing that I'm really impressed with, that they packed individual lens in a separate box. I mean, both left and right lenses are in a 2 different packaging that helps the user to use it according to their eyesight power. So they are in 4 beautiful colors: alpha green, gem gray, gem brown, and the last one is Luna blue. I'm really impressed with the lens kit because it is very protective, and the rubber seal helps to avoid the spillage. Also, it comes with tweezer and a suction stick. So you can also use your finger, but make sure to wash your hands first and then you can apply the lenses with your finger. Look at the box. This is beautiful box. They have the label with the power and the name of the lens. So back of the lens packaging, there is a expiry date, name of the lens, and the power. So first I'm going to try color gem gray with the help of suction stick. I find this method easy, but whatever method you think is easiest, you can put the lens on. So here I had one lens on in order to show you the difference. Here is another one now. I really like this color. They are very comfortable to wear. So as you can see, I got no red eyes. So beautiful gem gray. And then I'm going to try Luna blue. And the next one is gem brown. And the last one is alpha green. This is beautiful color. Here you can see the difference. I love all the colors, so pretty. Also, JUST4KIRA have got amazing colored contact lens collection. You can visit their website. The links are in my description box. You can place an order, and also you can use my code SHADEZ, SHADEZ, to get 20% discount. So I hope you guys like my video. If you do, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.